Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an invalid value for registry error on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial here, and we're going to jump right into it. So this is largely going to have to do with the Photos app on your computer. So we're going to go and start by opening up the Start menu, and you want to go and type in Apps. One of the best managers should come back with add or remove programs. Go ahead and left click on that. You want to go down this list until you find Microsoft Photos. Go ahead and left click on that. And then select Advanced Options. And now underneath Advanced Options, now you want to go underneath Reset. If the app is not working right, we can try and repair. The app's data won't be affected. Select the Reset option. Do not select the repair. You want to set the reset option here, so you have a reset and a repair option under here. Again, this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preference and sign-in details, so just keep that in mind. Select the reset button now, and once you're done with that and it's done resolving the problem, close out of here and try and open up the app. If you're still having a problem, you can try selecting the repair option as a follow-up. So close out of here once you're done, and hopefully that's been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.